C++ for intermediates, taking your programming skills to the next level. Congratulations on reaching the intermediate level in C++ programming. Now that you have a solid foundation in the basics, it's time to explore more advanced concepts and techniques that will elevate your coding skills. Let's delve into some key topics for intermediate C++ programmers. 1. Object-oriented programming, OOP. At this stage, you should deepen your understanding of OOP principles like inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Utilize classes and objects to design complex systems, creating reusable and modular code. 2. Templates. Templates enable you to write generic code that works with different data types. Explore function templates and class templates to build versatile algorithms and containers. 3. Standard Template Library, STL. The STL is a collection of powerful and efficient data structures and algorithms provided by C++. Learn how to use containers like vectors, lists, and maps, as well as algorithms like sorting and searching, to streamline your coding. 4. Smart pointers. Dive into smart pointers, unique_PTR, shared_PTR, and weak_PTR, to manage memory more effectively. These smart pointers automate memory management, reducing the risk of memory leaks and dangling pointers. 5. Exception handling. Learn to handle exceptions in your code to gracefully manage runtime errors. Master the try-catch blocks and create custom exception classes for specific error scenarios. 6. File handling. Explore file streams to read from and write to files. Practice handling input-output operations and work with both text and binary files. 7. Lambda expressions. Lambda expressions offer a concise way to define inline functions, particularly for short, one-time use cases. Understand how to use them effectively for callbacks and function objects. 8. Multi-threading. Discover the world of multi-threading in C++, where you can execute multiple threads simultaneously. Learn about thread management, synchronization, and handling shared resources. 9. Move semantics. Move semantics allow for efficient transfer of resources between objects, reducing unnecessary copying of data. Get familiar with R-value references and move constructors, move assignment operators. 10. Preprocessor directives. Delve into preprocessor directives like macros and conditional compilation to influence the compilation process and adapt your code to different environments. 11. Advanced data structures and algorithms. Explore more complex data structures like trees, graphs, and hash tables. Implement advanced algorithms like dynamic programming and graph traversal to solve challenging problems efficiently. 12. C++ 1.1, C++ 14, and C++ 17 features. Stay updated with the latest C++ standards and learn about the new features introduced in C++ 1.1, C++ 14, and C++ 17, such as range-based for loops, auto-keyword, and more. Remember, the key to mastering C++ lies in continuous practice, building projects, and seeking out new challenges. By delving into these intermediate topics, you'll enhance your coding proficiency and be well prepared to tackle more advanced C++ concepts in the future. Happy coding!